Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hello everybody, how's everyone doing? Welcome to another vlog. I hope everyone's been keeping safe and doing all right and looking after each other. Hi, today I'm just going to do a few errands. I've got to go and pick up a parcel as usual. That's my life, parcels every day, and then return them at the same time as well. That's just my life. But today I'm just making pasta right now just for lunch because I've skipped breakfast today. It's my day off again. I skipped breakfast because I did wake up a bit late. And it's been raining quite a bit recently, so but it's a nice rain. It's quite warm still. It's like that spring rain. So I'm just gonna have a quick lunch, like a brunch I suppose. I'm just gonna have that, then I'm gonna go to the shops and you can come with me guys. I'm just gonna pick up a parcel, and then later I'm just gonna go to Home Bargains as well on the way back, and then I'm just gonna do a bit of housework really and do some relaxing. Hopefully I'm gonna relax because I've been working so much recently. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you guys want to continue supporting me, please like and subscribe to my channel as well. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Guys, I just got home now. Look at the state of the kitchen. I'm going to put those groceries away. Look at the state of the kitchen, guys. Oh my god. Seriously, I'm going to sort all this out now, guys. Let me change this situation. These away first. The surf goes in here. Oh, I've got to empty that. Put this surf, the lavender scent, and let me smell it. Insane, guys. You've got to smell this. It's absolutely insane. Just gonna pack that away. Obviously put it into the storage box. Okay, I've got this one, the powder laundry #1. That's just the colour that's come off it, guys. It's not dirty, just the colours actually come off it because they're not like really good quality. Just gonna put that on Amazon and stuff. Not too bad. It does the job, doesn't it, guys? It doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing all the time. It's aesthetically, oh my god, I can't pronounce it. I don't know, guys. I'll put it down below. But yeah, my word, it's just like, oh, the place, as always. Nothing new this day, guys. You should get used to me by now. You should get used to me by now. What the heck? Yeah, you should get used to me by now. Just gonna pack that away. That goes in that drawer. Needed some mayos, so I've got some mayos that needs to go here, like so. These are flash mops. I know I've used my floor steamer, the wax one, loads of times, but I get this for like every day or every other day use because I've got a flash mop. Tips. Got some dishwasher rinse aid. Got this Dishmatic. It's more quite rough, isn't it? So you might clean the pans a bit better. So I'm gonna give that a try. I've got a hair mask as well, guys, because some days I like to put a hair mask on. So a rosemary infused, so that's probably gonna smell gorgeous. I'm gonna try that as well. So let's put these away. I'm just gonna pop them in that drawer. Yeah, that goes in that drawer. This goes underneath. See, that one's nearly empty. See that? So I think that will put that on tonight and then throw it away. Hair mask needs to go upstairs, so I'm just gonna pop this here and take it upstairs. And this obviously is gonna go here. I'm gonna try that out later. Well, I'll try that out now with the dishes really, guys. There's a lot going on here, so I'm gonna throw that away. So let's wash these dishes. The dishwasher as well. Oh god, gotta empty the dishwasher, guys. I'm gonna empty it first. Get rid of some of the stuff in here. Okay, that's all empty. Let's put these dishes away. I'll just wash what I can with hands and then I'll put the rest in the dishwasher. Let's make a start. I'm gonna put this on tonight before bedtime. This is the parcel I picked up, guys, from River Island. It's just a white normal waistcoat, really, nothing special, just a white one, because I've got loads of black ones and you guys know I love wearing waistcoats. So this is just a white waistcoat with black buttons. So it's just, yeah, it's quite long actually, it's quite long. But yeah, let me just take this plastic off so you can see it properly. Guys, you can see it properly now. It's actual quite a good brand. Yeah, it's River Island, but I think it's more the luxury brand, I think. Yeah, so that's a white waistcoat, and I've got some work shoes for summer as well. I'm just going to show you guys. I've got some of these already, but they're not net ones that I wear to work, but because it's quite warm now, I wanted to get some for summer. Some summer shoes so for work, because obviously we can't wear open toe ones for like nursing, so I'm gonna try these on now, guys. These are my current loafers that I've got for work. So these are the ones that I wear to work at the moment, just normal with gold kind of detail on there. It's got like, it's like a Chanel vibe, but obviously it's not Chanel. But yeah, so I'll just show you my new ones now. These are my new ones, guys. They seem quite comfortable. See? The net ones. You can see my feet. But yeah, the net ones, they seem quite comfortable. Yeah. They're exactly the same, but they're more like summery ones because I'm driving around all the time and it gets really warm in the car. So I just thought these are quite nice. They're quite breathable, aren't they? So yeah, so I've got these ones. So those are my old ones and these are my new summer shoes. So I thought they seem quite comfortable anyway. So hopefully I'll let you know if they're still comfortable, but I just need to wear them off a bit, I think, just to make them a bit more looser. New shoes are always a bit tight, but yeah, I hope you like them because I do like them. I'm not disappointed. This is the next day, guys, and it's still raining really heavy. I'm just gonna make some kebabs, guys, because I never get to make kebabs because my sisters always give me loads of food because, you know, I do 2 jobs. I work in the day 4 days. I have Wednesdays off and then I work 3 evenings, Monday, Tuesday and Thursday evenings as well. You know, the cost of living is like hitting the roof, so, you know, with one wage basically it's not enough, is it? So yeah, any extra you get, it helps with the petrol and everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna make kebabs and I'm gonna give it to all my sisters. I'm gonna drop it to my mum's house and my 2 sisters' house as well, because obviously they always give me food all the time, so I'd want to make some kebabs. They always give me kebabs, so I never get a chance to make kebabs. So this is my first time attempting to make kebabs, and you know what, they went down so well. Everybody loved them, and one of my sisters actually said, and she's a super chef, said you made the best kebabs from all of us. I couldn't believe it, but all I did was just put extra twists in there. Like, for example, like already had like tomatoes and onions in the mince already when I had it from the obviously from the shop, but when I got it from the butchers. But I just put some extra in, and I put some extra different spices like peri, salt, kind of like different kind of spices, just gave it a bit of a more of a kick, really. But yeah, I was really proud of myself that I made the kebabs the first time and they were a total success, guys. If you ever want the recipe, just let me know and I'll post in the description if anybody's interested. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have a cozy evening. I'm gonna obviously finish making these kebabs. I'm gonna go and drop them off to my sisters and my mum's house. Then I'm gonna come back and have my food and have a chilled evening at home. Thank you so much, everybody, for supporting me, for liking my videos, subscribing to me. It means so much to me. You guys don't know, it makes such a difference to my life. It just gives me some escapism from life, and the way things are going at the moment is so depressing. It's so depressing. Everywhere you look now, all you see is the world turning the blind eye to the suffering that's going on in the world right now. But this just making videos gives me a bit of escapism to get away from it a bit. Yeah, because I've got a very soft heart, and I find I'm such an emotional person, and I find it really hard to carry on my life day to day with what's going on, and I'm sure you guys feel the same as well. But yeah, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog, and I hope you really enjoy this vlog, guys. And Eid's coming up as well, guys, so I'll probably be making a video after Eid, inshallah.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله